Hello guys, this is Rong-Hao from TU Eindhoven. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the OpenNFCSense API on your computer. With OpenNFCSense, you can quickly build gadgets with an NFC reader that measures the speed, frequency, and types of movement of passive NFC tags. It is handy and useful for making educational toys and tools because it's so safe and simple. Please definitely try it at home. What you need for this tutorial are an Arduino Uno board, a cheap RC522 NFC reader, and a few NFC tags that you can get from electronic shops online. You also need a PC or laptop with Arduino and processing development environment installed. First thing first, we go to the official project website at NFCSense. Then you'll find the link to the OpenNFCSense GitHub repository. Then you can download the library by hitting the green button. After it's downloaded, you unzip the file, and then you'll see several folders where you can find the OpenNFCSense library in the library folder as a zip file. To install this library, just drag the OpenNFCSense.zip to the library folder of your processing sketch folder and unzip it there. When you see a folder called OpenNFCSense, you may delete the zip file. Next, let's run the processing software. If your processing software was open, you need to restart it. After it's loaded, you can check the menu, File, Examples. Under the category of contributed libraries, you shall see the OpenNFCSense for processing now. There are several examples in that category. Next, let's connect the RC522 NFC reader to the Arduino board. There are many tutorials online, so I'll skip this part. You can find the schematics on the NFCSense GitHub repository as well. The last thing to do is to upload the Arduino codes to your Arduino board when the reader is connected. In the folder of the downloaded GitHub repository, you can find a folder called Arduino. Double-click that INO file to open this code in your Arduino software. Make sure that your Arduino Uno is connected and the port is correct. Then, upload this program to the Arduino board. After it's done, you can open the serial monitor and see the data flow, which are numbers with the prefix of A, B, C, or D. When there's not a tag detected, the numbers are 0256. The reader is running at 300 reads per second, so now it is a high-speed NFC reader. You can try to scan the tag to see if the number changes immediately. If it does, it's been a great start. Your reader is ready for the OpenNFCSense library. That's a wrap. I hope you are ready for the experience. Feel free to share what you made in the comments below. We've just introduced a way of setting up the NFCSense API. The next episode will be about making gadgets with spinning toys, like a fidget spinner. You may subscribe my channel to follow it when it's out. Feel free to check our website and have a look at our OpenNFCS CHI 2021 paper to get a preview. See you in the next video. 偷子哥跟 Kia， 我们下次见。